Welcome back. Episode 5B, the Human Volcano.
There it is. Another mountain. Just there. Doing nothing. A mountain is an impressive sight when you see it for the first time. But after some time it becomes just part of the landscape. A mountain is a mountain is a mountain. There it is. Another mountain.
But not so, a volcano. It turns on, it comes alive. It becomes a shaker and a mover. A volcano lights up. It radiates a glow. It's something. It's happening. It is somebody.
Yes.
Don't just be part of the landscape. Or just a member or one of the employees.
Be something special like a volcano. If you want people to pay attention, become spectacular. Turn on. Come alive. Be a shaker and a mover. Heat up an inner glow so that you can radiate an outer glow. Be something, be a happening, be somebody.
Yes, a volcano does more than flame and glow. It spreads heat, molten, red-hot lava. Nothing can stop it. None dares to stand in its way. No one dares to oppose the oncoming, unstoppable, constantly spreading, or consuming heat.
Do you want to attract attention? Do you want to command respect? Do you want to be unstoppable? Then become a human volcano. And remember, the source of its power is heat. Get hot. Hello, I'm Coach Cello. Thanks for watching and keep watching these episodes for further transformation.